Hello everyone, today we are going to learn some basic Photoshop tools. So let's start. Firstly, we will place a photo on the canvas. So I am taking a wolf photo. You can take any one of your choice. Now after taking the photo, you can resize it on the canvas like that. Moving to our first tool, we have move tool. So it basically helps to move the photo on the canvas so that you can work on a particular section of the photo. So the next tool is Artboard tool. It basically replicates your canvas so that you can make a art out of the original photo, like cartoons or any other stuff. Now moving to our next tool, we have the rectangular marquee tool. So it basically selects the object and in a rectangular shape, and you can crop that out from the original photo. So you can make a new layer out of that, as you can see here. Our next tool is elliptical marquee tool. It works same as that of rectangular marquee tool but in elliptical shape. So you can see that again. Moving to our next tool, we have single row marquee tool. So it basically selects a row of the smallest unit, that is pixel, in our canvas. Now you can see, I will zoom in. So you can see a boundary line that is marking a single row of pixels. So our next tool is the single column marquee tool. It works same as that of single row marquee tool, but it selects a vertical line. Next tool is our LASSO tool. So it basically selects the object in random shape based on your clicks on the canvas or photo. So we have made a selection. Now we can make a different layer by copy. Here we go. Now next is polygon lasso. So it basically selects a type of polygon, like in straight line form. So here we make a duplicate copy layer. So our next tool is magnetic lasso. It is quite interesting tool as it selects around the edges of the object based on the color contrast and brightness of the object you are selecting. So here you can see we make a copy layer. So our next tool is object selection tool. So it is an advanced version of the previous one. Here the computer automatically selects the object on the basis of color contrast and brightness. So here we can make a copy layer. Our next tool is quick selection tool. So you can see that does the same thing, but on the basis of the contrast it selects from inside of the object. So here we can select. So here is an extra part, so you can delete that by using Alt key plus the click button, click of the mouse. So our next tool is Magic Wand tool. So here you can see it basically selects the similar contrast or areas in the object. The place where you click, the contrast of the places having similar that are selected. So thank you everyone. Please like, share, subscribe.